Tea wasn't really popular until the Industrial Revolution came about. That's when it really boomed. But did you know that tea was meant to be a replacement for beer? Since everything was slowly becoming automated, humans were only required to man the machines. And because the machines did almost all the work, manning them, as you can imagine, became boring. If this was the 21st century, you'd probably suggest they drink a cup of coffee and move on. But this was the 18th century, and coffee was mighty expensive. So the workers took breaks and chugged a ton of beer instead. Talk about work ethic, huh? Anyways, obviously this didn't work out too well for them. They got tipsy and the number of casualties spiked, which meant they needed something that wouldn't get them tipsy, yet keep them awake. This was where tea waltzed in. Every factory employed teams of people who made tea for the factory workers in large batches, for free. The workers didn't even have to move from their places, and they didn't have to be operating machinery whilst they were tipsy. Thanks to some tipsy employees, India and China started exporting huge quantities of tea over to Europe. Even at offices today, we see free tea being circulated as a refreshment to keep employees motivated. Basically, tea was distributed as a replacement for beer because of some really tipsy, careless workers, who we can be now thankful to for introducing free tea in offices. Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.